Hello guys, welcome to Saptarishi School of Skill Development. From now on, we are beginning with how to read and write English, the very first lesson of English grammar. Grammar section we have already discussed the contents, and this is the first lesson we have told you. So we are beginning with this, and this topic will have 7 parts. So we are going to discuss this topic in 7 different classes. Let's begin. Contents. The first one we are going to discuss today is reading practice. You will practice reading. Then another class we will discuss writing practice. Then we will discuss alphabet sounds. Then we will discuss tips, how to read and write English tips. Then we are going to discuss meaning of word, definition and types of words, and word formation. These are the 7 parts we are going to discuss in this topic, under this topic, 7 classes. So you should watch every single class, every single video to understand this topic. Let's begin with our first one, reading practice. Okay, so this is reading practice. You just put your name here and read this whole paragraph. Pause the video if you need more time. Now let me read it for you. My name is Aniket Singh. Your name? I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth and take a bath. Then I eat my breakfast. I go to school at 8 o'clock. I study many subjects like English, maths and science. I play with my friends during lunch break. After school, I come home and do my homework. In the evening, I watch TV or read a book. I eat dinner with my family and go to bed at 9 o'clock. I enjoy my day very well. This was the first paragraph of reading practice. Hope you have read it and understood where you need to put full stop, where you need to pause, where you need to change your tone, and etc. Reading gives you these abilities. Next paragraph, let's read it out. One day, I found a shiny pencil under my old bed. It looked normal, but when I wrote with it, something amazing happened. Whatever I wrote came true. I wrote, I have a big chocolate cake. Direct speech, I have a big chocolate cake. And it appeared. I smiled and shared it with my sister. Then I wrote, let it rain. Flowers, and colorful flowers fell from the sky. I used the pencil to help people and make them happy, but I never used it for selfish things. I still keep the magic pencil safe in my school bag. This was the second paragraph. Take your time, read it yourself to improve your reading skills. Pause the video if you need more time. This was reading practice. In our next class, we are going to discuss writing practice. You need your pen and notebook with you to practice writing. So in the next class, you come up with the pencil and notebook so that you can write with us. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe and comment if you need any more reading topics, more topics to read, more books to read, more ideas. So you can comment us. Till then, Namaskar.